Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Flymo Easi Glide 300. First, let's get it ready. Begin by assembling the handle and ensuring it's firmly attached. Next, connect the power cable, making sure it's routed away from the cutting path for safety. Finally, adjust the cutting height to suit your lawn, choosing from the available settings for a perfect finish. Now, let's talk about effective mowing. For a uniform lawn, mow in slightly overlapping strips, moving back and forth across the area. Remember to always push the mower forward. Never pull it towards yourself, as this can be unsafe. Keep an eye on the grass box and empty it frequently to prevent clogging and ensure your mower performs at its best. Safety is paramount when using any power tool. Always wear sturdy footwear and eye protection to shield yourself from debris. Before cleaning the mower or making any adjustments, always disconnect it from the power supply. Regularly inspect the blade for any signs of damage or dullness. A sharp blade ensures a clean cut and reduces strain on the motor. Proper storage extends your mower's life. After each use, clean the underside of the deck to remove grass clippings and debris. Then store your Flymo Easi Glide 300 in a dry, sheltered place. This prevents rust and keeps it ready for next time. For more great tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for links and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.